know, I'm looking at the book, and Rotai seems to be a young boy.
Yes.
And you talked about seeking opportunities. So, I mean, one would look and say, opportunity in Kumana, I mean, look, he's looking like 6 years, 7-year-old. How can a 6-year-old or a 7-year-old really have that brain? I mean, talk to us about that angle and what you were trying to achieve with that picture.
Dreaming starts at even at a tender age.
Right.
You see, people think that dreaming is about adults, but ideas start even from a tender age. But it's about how you nurture them. You get the idea. So even at that tender age, you had a dream to say, I would want to do something for my community. I want to change our circumstances. So sometimes we limit our thinking because we are too young, or we are not in the perfect of environments to really start pushing the initiative. But in spite of his age, in spite of his circumstances, Rotai was able to actually come up with this idea. So the idea is to catch them young, inspiring the right thinking mindset even in our young people, even at a tender age.